This tutorial explains how to import vendor data into Softpal WMS using an Excel CSV file. You will learn the sequential steps to upload, validate, and import vendor information efficiently. Click Masters to open the main menu where master data management options are available. Click Vendor to navigate to the vendor management area within Softpal WMS. Click Import Vendor to begin the process of importing vendor data from an external file. Click File Upload to open the file selection dialog for uploading your vendor CSV file. Fill the file path with c:/fakepath/vendors.csv to specify the CSV file containing vendor data for import. Click Validate CSV to check the uploaded file for errors and ensure the data is formatted correctly. Click Times to close the validation dialog after reviewing the validation results. Click Import CSV to start importing the validated vendor data into the system. Click Times to close the import window once the vendor data has been successfully imported.